Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize funds for 1031 exchanges using CrowdStreet detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize funds for 1031 exchanges using CrowdStreet, first, log into your CrowdStreet account. Navigate to the dashboard where your investments are displayed. Select the specific 1031 exchange project you are interested in. Review the project details thoroughly to ensure it meets your investment goals. Click on the Invest Now button associated with the selected project. Fill out any required investor information as prompted. Next, specify the amount you wish to invest in the 1031 exchange. Proceed to the section where you can designate your source of funds. Select the option indicating you are using funds from a 1031 exchange. You may need to provide additional documentation to verify the source of your funds. Upload any necessary documents as requested by the platform. Review the terms and conditions outlined for the 1031 exchange investment. Once verified, confirm your investment by clicking the Authorize Funds button. You will receive a confirmation notice detailing your investment. Keep this confirmation for your records and future reference. Monitor your account for updates regarding the project's progress. If needed, reach out to CrowdStreet support for assistance with any questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.